Hi, morning. Welcome back. So for this video, it's not gonna be a yoga class sequence. I'm just going to introduce or share my new space here. I recently moved last night, bringing along with me my favorite pillow. So soft, so nice. Yeah, I took it with me from the original bedroom so that I can have a pillow here. I slept here overnight, just last night, and then when I woke up, I got the idea to do some arrangement. So what I have here is an old phone. This is not mine, this is for my sisters. And brought along some sheets, and suddenly had the idea to place this cloth, which is an all-around cloth. If you've seen some of my photos or videos, this has been used in so many ways, like my tablecloth. I use it as a cover of this foam as well because this is foldable, and I use it as a chair like days ago. And of course I clean it, okay? Don't worry. And here is my guitar. It's been sleeping for so many years, and I didn't thought about taking it out because like days ago I suddenly wanted to buy a little instrument for Shavasana. In my yoga class, I usually play music. I'm talking about the online here because that's been the new normal these days. I play music, and then I noticed that the audio is not really very good to the students' end, so I just wanted to try something new, like play an instrument during Shavasana. I saw a cute little, I forgot the name, thumb piano, and then suddenly I realized I have an instrument. So this little guy here, the guitar here, it's been with me for so many years without high school. My dad bought it for me from Lilam's guitar. And then their dad experienced so many things. It has its dents already, but it works well. I tuned it days ago, the moment I took it out from its shell. And then I was so happy to discover a tuning app. I didn't know about that. How do you call this one? Ultimate tuner. And then I tried using it to tune the guitar, and in the span of seconds, voila, it's working. And here is my little cutie diary. And I'm going to share to you this bolster I bought from Shopee. The price is really very cheap compared to the branded bolsters online. Like, I bought it for half the price of the usual value of this one, and surprisingly it's really good. It has the best support, and it's soft, it's neat, the color is beautiful and neutral. And maybe I'm going to do a video about how to use bolsters in a yoga class. Yay! Of course, I set up my yoga mat over there, so when I wake up I can jump right over there immediately, or all the way to the back, that little indoor yoga garden I have for my videos here on YouTube. And Eugenia. It's called Eugenia. This is a tree. I bought it through Facebook and then from local sellers. It's been on the terrace for weeks already, and then I just suddenly thought about giving it a spot inside, and I think it's perfect there for now. You know, I suddenly changed my mind with all this. This is actually my original place for teaching yoga. So in the afternoon, I'm going to keep them there behind this divider. Okay, and then behind me is my work setup. I have my laptop here. And, you know, I got this yesterday. It's really very pretty. It's a caladium in pink color. The leaves are beautiful and big and pink. So, yeah, that's it. This is where I sleep just temporarily because I want to wake up early and do my yoga practice longer, because if I'm in my bedroom I get lazy going up, because I want to come here. Although you don't really have to find the best space, but this has been my comfortable place to do my practice. And yes, looking forward to the next following days, and hopefully this quarantine will be over soon. But for now, please stay at home and stay safe. Bye.